Hello, hello. Today we are going to be making cold brew coffee using our soft coffee pods and our Newco cold brew coffee kit. Now, every recipe is different, so when you get your pods, make sure you look at the instructions. This one says we're going to use the entire bag of the contents as well as 2.5 gallons of water. So you're going to start by opening your bag. Right. And you're going to take all of the pods and put them in our coffee sieve. Dump them in there. Now, I know it looks like a lot of pods, but trust me, they will fit. Okay, and then we're going to take the lid to the sieve. Now there's 1 and 2. The one will slide forward into the single slot. You can see this is going to keep these pods from floating as it is brewing. You're going to get a better coffee taste the longer they stay in the water. So once you've got them in there, take the pods and the sieve and put them directly into your tin. And then you're going to take the 2.5 gallons of water, add it slowly as not to spill. And once you've put your water into the tin, replace your lid. Let your coffee steep in the refrigerator for 12 to 30 hours, depending on your coffee recipe. Once you've completed your brewing process, you're going to pull up the sieve, and there's a little lip where it will hang on the front of the tin. This is going to allow the rest of the water and the coffee to filter down into the tin to come out of the pods. Once the pods are done, you can remove this completely. Now these are compostable. You're able to put this into your refrigerator for up to a week. Cold brew coffee concentrate goes great over ice. Add your favorite sweeteners, milk, creamer, anything you need to enjoy, but make sure you enjoy.